Hello there. I'd like to welcome you to my new channel, YouTube Success Strategies, and this is where I teach you how to succeed on YouTube. So today is something a little different because maybe you know, maybe you don't. I started my very first channel, Vocal Splendor Studios, in 2010, and I created it to become and gather some new clients when I moved to Seattle. That was my whole point. I thought that's the way I'm gonna meet and get students, so I can maybe embed my videos on my website, and then people would get to know me and they'd be more willing to schedule meetup. So what happened is I did actually get more clients in Seattle, but I ended up getting videos that went viral, and I started getting clients from all over the world. So I actually started teaching online in 2011, way before most people were doing it. So I've been doing it so long. So as I've been teaching YouTube and I've been coaching others, I realized that there's a lot of similarities between voice and YouTube. Who knew, right? Now the thing about voice lessons is that it's not just the voice, like the voice quality, extending the range, getting people to match pitch, getting people to phrase, growing all the things that we need to do. But voice also includes language, how we say the words, which is sometimes a huge problem for people, how to stylistically sing in different styles, and then we have the psychology of performance. So there's a lot of pieces in this journey to become a really good singer. Likewise, YouTube has so many pieces to really be successful. We have the filming piece, we have the branding and avatar piece, we have the niche piece, we have how to actually technically film, the cameras, the lights, the background, the editing, and then we have all the SEO and trying to get the keywords, and then we have marketing across the platforms. And so there's all these things that have to be done, and if one of them isn't happening, it doesn't all work. It's like a puzzle that works together, and unfortunately there isn't any checklist or guidance except for what I'm offering and other coaches are offering, because there's so many pieces in the puzzle of YouTube. And of course every channel is unique. That's the same thing with voice. Every voice is different. You can't make your voice be something that it's not. I'm a high soprano. I'm not gonna sound like Mary Blige ever, even if I tried. So that's the same thing with your YouTube channel. Each YouTube is unique. It has a different market, it has a different focus, and so it's kind of hard to get some guidance on what to do to make your channel grow, which is why I am so committed to creating content for you guys. YouTube has been an amazing experience for me. I've made probably over $50,000 to more $1,000 with clients that have come to me and study with me without any advertising. They've just come. And also, anyone can do this because that's what YouTube is. It's free. It's a great opportunity to take your interests and your talents and share them with the rest of the world. Now, if you're a coach, a consultant, a business owner, a teacher, YouTube also gives you a great opportunity to create content for your pre-existing clients. You can also repurpose it to new clients, and you can attract clients to you all at the same time for free. So this is a huge resource, but most people don't understand the moving pieces of it, because that's where things fall apart. You can bring great content out there, which I see a lot of coaches have really great content, but they're not marketing it in a way that it gets discovered, because YouTube is a search engine. It's not like social media where you have followers and they follow you and they see what you do. YouTube works a different way. And I've had other videos about the search engine and the algorithm. So that's why it's a little bit more confusing. There's a lot of other puzzle pieces because we want to make sure we're making content that our subscribers are interested in, but we also have to label them in a way that the search engines can pick it up. And then we also have the thumbnails. So keep watching my channel and you'll learn more and more. And so thanks for the likes, shares, and subscribes. I so appreciate it. And please share the videos with people that you think are going to be interested in. And if you have some ideas that you'd like me to talk about, please write it in the description, because I'm so open to making content for your own requests. All right, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.